And the Augustine Academy is a school, but it's not primarily about school. It's about life. It's about who you are, whether you're a student, whether you're a parent, whether you're a teacher or a staff. And that's what our community is interested in focusing on, and that's what we want people to be a part of. We're not interested in students being drastically different people at school and at home, but recognizing that the opportunities they have to learn and grow here is also there in the home with their parents. And we love partnering with parents and working with them on seeing who God has made the children and families of this school to be.
I have never had a community as an adult that has been this engaging, supportive from my fellow co-teachers. As a parent with other parents, I've never experienced so many like-minded families in one place that really desire our children to thrive and flourish, and just never experienced anything like it. And I would encourage you to check out the Augustine Academy.